Hello guys, this is Kavin here from Parse. Today we're gonna unbox MIA2. Let's unbox the phone. There is a box inside this. There are some user guides, manuals like that. Next we're gonna see is SIM ejector tool and headphone jack converter, because there is no headphone jack in this phone. There is a soft case included in this box, which is very useful and it is very grippy. Now you can take a look at the phone. There's a basic classic look in the back. It is not a glass, but it's a plastic polycarbonate, but it's still durable. Taking the branding out, it's pretty much the same in all the phones right now. There are some specifications which are noted on the screen. Let's remove it, and then moving on to the phone. The camera positioning is same as iPhone 10. Now let's put this soft case in it and keep the phone aside. Now we are going to see the charger. The charger is good. Still I'm using this phone. Now it's time for the cable. Here is a surprise. It is a Type-C port. Well, rest in peace micro USB. All the phones are changing to Type-C port. Now take a look at the specifications of this phone. For example, the RAM, the ROM, the processor, as well as the camera. Now let's boot the phone. See, it's a part of Android One program. You will get all the latest Pie upgrade in this phone, that is 9th version of the Android. The booting is quick and the animations are good. Now let's check the speed and accuracy of the fingerprint sensor. That's good. It's time for some camera samples. It's a rear camera pic which was taken in under bright sunlight. It's a front portrait which has a good depth of field. It's a back portrait and you can see the portrait bokeh effect on this phone. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. If you do like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.